Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down an interesting and slightly tricky problem. 3019. Number of changing keys. This problem focuses on analyzing a string and counting how many times the typed key actual changes while treating uppercase and lowercase letters as the same key. Sounds simple, right? But there are a few important details that can be easily trip you up if you are not careful. We are start by clearing understanding the problem statement, then walk through the logic step by step with examples. After that, I will show you an efficient solution with clean code and explain why it works. So whether you are preparing for coding interviews, practicing lead code problems, or just sharpening your string handling skills, this video is for you. So let's dive in and solve number of changing keys together. So guys, let's start to solve our 3019 question by the name of number of changes keys. So let's start. It has been given me a zero index string s typed by a user, which is changing a key is defined as a using a key different from the last used key. For example, s equals to ab has a change of a key while s bb does not have any. We want to determine the number of times the user had to change the key. Note that the modifiers like shift or caps lock wouldn't be counted in changing the key. That is, if a user typed the letter A and the letter A in capital, that it will be considered as changing of key. Okay, and sorry, this is not a okay. Now, example number one. Here we created a one string by the name of s, in which we wrote in down a and then capital A, then b, then capital B, and then c, and then capital C. And the operand coming 2. Why? What is the logic behind why the operand coming 2? Because from s0 equals to a to s1, a there is no change of key as caps, lock, or shift is not counted. Number 2, from S1 equals to A to S2 B, there is no change of key. Number 3, from S2 equals to B to S3 B, there is no change of key as caps, lock, or shift is counted. Number 4, from S3 equals to B to S4 equals to C, there is a change of a key. So in the last one, there is a from S4 equals to C to S5 equals to capital C. There is no change of key as a caps lock or shift is not counted. So that's why the operand coming to, because here it is here we change a key and here we change a key. So that's why there is a only two output element coming. In the second one, there is a zero output element coming, because here we wrote it down. Here we created a one string by the name of s, in which we wrote it down a, and there is a no change of key if you see. So that's why output element coming. So explanation: there is a no change of key signs, only the letters a and then capital A are pressed, which does not require change of key. So that's why there is output coming 0 in example 2. In example 1, the output coming 2. And why, I have already told you that. And there is a two constraints are also be included if you want to see it. So see it. So let's start to solve this question in Python 3. And this is a now from next videos I will be solve 600 questions like 605 and these questions, because some of the paid questions of 605 and these questions are unlocked by LeetCode camp. So I will be solve these questions till Monday. Okay, so because the deadline of close of our paid questions will be Monday, so that's why. Okay, so we solved 600 questions from the next video. So now this is a easy one question which we are solving, and there are the one hint are included, but we don't see any hint. We will be solving our own brain, because in Python 3. So let's start. First of all, what we're gonna do now, first of all, we define class of a solution, define count key changes, self comma s is a string, s3 equals to s dot lower, count equals to 0 for in range 0 comma length st minus 1 if htch plus 1 enter count plus equals to 1 return count. Perfect. Now let's try to solve it. So let's see the running code now, because I write it all codes by on my side. Just let's see the running code. But first of all, what I gotta do now, here I am defining one comment. Let we define class of solution def means which tags are string, defining lowercase letters from defining int count 0. Perfect. Now run it. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been let's say accepted or not. So it has been accepted and two cases are accepted, and let's see the submission code in last. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted and I beat total 100% people. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials. And let me post the solution. So I have posted. So now let's meet you in next video, amazing video, and please come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan Beg, and sorry, channel not I mean, come on to my profile of Rayyan Beg. So please see my these all profile videos, sorry, all my profile, and then come on to the my channel by the name of Davrian. And when you come on it here, so please subscribe and like, because we are very near to 50,000 subscribers, sorry, 5,000 subscribers. We need to done it as soon as possible. Then come on to the playlist, come on to the LeetCode game playlist, please access it and bookmark it also. So now let's meet you in the next video, amazing video. And I have told you one more thing else. From next video we will be solved like 600 questions, like 605, 602, 603, like these type of questions we will solve from next video. So get ready for it. So now let's meet you in the next video, amazing video. So get ready for our 600 questions, which are paid questions, which LeetCode camp has not means that I'm solving that question that are not locked, that is locked by LeetCode camp. But for like Christmas offer, there here they'll unlock some of the 600 questions. So get ready for it, and from next video we solve our 600 questions. So now let's meet in next video, amazing video. So for today, goodbye.